India's industrial sector is vital but causes fire hazards and environmental risks. In this video, we'll discuss the need for stringent safety and environmental protocols to address these issues.
Let me today discuss about the legal provisions pertaining to fire safety and emergency protocol, which are enshrined in a multiple of statutes, rules, and guidelines. The key among these are the Factories Act 1948. Section 38 mandates that every factory must be equipped with firefighting apparatus, ensure safe measures of escape, and conduct periodic fire drills. Rule 61A specifies the need for appointing trained personnel to manage fire safety and emergency procedures. The next act is the National Building Code of India, NBC 2016. Part 4 of the NBC lays down comprehensive guidelines for fire and life safety in building, including industrial establishment. It mandates the installation of automatic fire detection and suppression system, clearance for escape routes, and regular maintenance checks. The next act is the Environmental Protection Act 1986, which comprehensively deal with industrial dealing with hazardous substances must adhere to stringent safety protocols and to prevent fire and environmental contamination. Specific provisions include the storage and the handling of hazardous material, emergency plans, and regular safety audits. The Petroleum Act of 1934 and the Petroleum Rule 2002. These regulations governs the storage and transportation of petroleum and inflammable substances. They require the implementation of robust safety measures, including the establishment of fire control room and emergency response mechanism. The legal provisions pertaining to fire safety and emergency protocols are enshrined in multitude of statutes, rules, and guidelines. Key among these are the Factories Act 1948. Section 38 mandates that every factory must be equipped with firefighting apparatus, ensure safety means to escape, and conduct periodic fire drill. Rule 61A specifies the need for appointing trained persons to manage fire safety and emergency procedures. Further, the National Building Code of India (NBC) 2018, Part 4 of the NBC lays down comprehensive guidelines for fire life safety in buildings, including establishments. It mandates the installation of automatic fire detection and suppression system, clear signals for escaping routes, and regular maintenance. The Environmental Protection Act 1986, under the Environmental Protection Rules, industries dealing with hazardous substances must adhere to stringent safety protocols to prevent fire and environmental contamination. Specific provisions includes the storage and handling of hazardous material, emergency responses, and regular safety audits. The last act is the Petroleum Act 1934 and the Petroleum Rules 2002. These rules governs the storage, transport, and the handling of petroleum and inflammable substances. These require the implementation of safety measures, including the establishment of fire controlling rooms and emergency response mechanism, which would later enable the safety of every individual working as an employee in an industry or a factory. These regulations plays a vital role in establishing a comprehensive rule that could able to tackle the problems related to fire accidents or any environmental harm. In recent years, the government's commitment to industrial safety has grown stronger. The Director General Factory advises the Factory Labor Institute's DGFASLI reported a 15% reduction in industrial fire incidents from 2018 to 2022, a promising sign attributed to better compliance and stricter enforcement. The Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Act 2020 aims to consolidate and streamline existing laws, emphasizing a proactive approach to hazardous accident identified and the risk management techniques that are being advanced. These steps and measures are not just bureaucratic measures, they are safeguards designed to prevent the kind of loss and suffering that haunts the victim's family long after the flames are extinguished. This mechanism not only protects the individual employee but their dependents who suffer from these laws. And safety measures for the employees are necessary component of any industrial establishment. Despite stringent regulation, several other incidents highlight the critical lapse in implementation. In May 2022, a devastating incident of fire at a textile factory in Ahmedabad resulted in six fatalities. Investigation revealed a tragic lack of compliance with basic fire safety standard measures. A 2023 fire at a pharmaceutical plant in Hyderabad led to significant environmental damages and underscored the dire need for strict adherence to hazardous material management protocol. These incidents are stark reminders of human cost of negligence. Each casualty represents a life cut short, dreams unfulfilled, and families left to grapple with their profound loss. I would like to conclude by saying that the Indian legal framework for fire and emergency protocols in the industries and factory is a robust, yet compliance lies with the industries themselves. It is imperative for the industrial entities to abide a culture of safety that ensures the adherence to the statutory measures and mandates and proactively engage in mitigating such risk. And there should be a proper risk management. Only through collective vigilance and stringent enforcement can avoid tragedies and safeguard our industrial workforce and the environment at large.